So here's another video using silicone oil. I'm using the live4art Dimethicone 12,500. It's still when I was testing and sampling. So this was done, probably 2.5 to 3 years ago. Yes, it's definitely the 12,500. It's quite thick, isn't it, coming out of the bottle there? And I'm working at home here, got everything covered up with plastic. It's so nice now to have a studio and have some space and not have my kitchen and dining room taken over for weeks or months on end. So it looks like I put a different silicone oil in that little one for some reason or other. Anyway, so I'm going to lay the cups. And this was a mixture of blues and pinks and some greys really, and so it's like a magenta sort of colour. So my paint medium, my mixture is quite thick. So it's really quite a mound on a mound. And I will have been using my 3-2-1 recipe. So 3 parts floetrol to 2 parts PVA to 1 part liquitex pouring medium. Squash that one. Now at this stage I was doing them in opposite direction, trying to get coverage. When I've flipped the cups over, I don't do that now. I do them in the same direction. This one I've got enough paint for it to probably not be too much of a trouble, but sometimes you've got to work quite hard to get the paint where it needs to go. So gosh, that heat's really brought out the cells, hasn't it? And I find it interesting to see how the cells are different in different paint mixtures as well. So even with the same oil, silicone oil, they're just looking different. Got those, I quite like those little ones that came up there, but I'm squashing them a little bit now. I'm moving things a bit too quickly. So putting that paint in will just help the other paint move when I tilt it. That's what it's meant to do anyway. It's not doing too much of that. See how I've had to change where the weight of the paint was over that spot. I didn't initially have it there. Once I changed it, the weight to be behind that, then it did move. Still got quite a bit of paint on there. Trying to pick up colours that are similar. I'll get it out of the cup to match up. Get away with a fair bit, but it's in these paintings because there's so many different colours, but it's good to try and match them up. So here's a close-up.